we have gone live on 2nd January of 2019. So it's been almost 5 months now. Now we are into 6 months. And at the beginning itself, we Coiner team also has supported us. That we called all the stakeholders like suppliers who are about 20 people and job workers 5 people. So we had a session with all these stakeholders at our premises, and we explained the benefit. And then users at Hindalco who are about three: purchaser, outsourcer, and store person. So slowly we explained and we inducted and we explained the benefit which they are going to get eventually. Not in phase one, they may not be getting much of a benefit, but eventually when phase two is made live, so all the stakeholders in the system will benefit from blockchain solution. So we got all of them on board and we began journey.